Hello everyone. Let us know about aphorism 48 to 51. So in aphorism 48, Hannibal would like to stress regarding similia similibus currenter again. So it is neither in the course of nature nor by the physician's art, means cure takes place only by similar and stronger disease. But this can never be achieved by dissimilar morbific agents, which we have seen from the nature's law. The above thing was never recognized till Hahnemann proved this. Okay, so here Hahnemann keeps on stressing similia similibus currenter, and this was very much necessary. The stressing is very much necessary because till his time, the system of medicine what was existing was very irrational and was followed blindly since 3000 years. So it was very difficult for Hahnemann to prove his new discovery to convince the people, and he had to work very hard. 49th aphorism tells us that okay, now if this was a nature's law of cure, then why people had not noticed it till now? So, attention of observers was not directed to natural cures. Why? Because there were very few examples. So, see, if at all they would have been more, they would have been given attention. But they were very less in number. Hence, they couldn't notice it. Now, coming to aphorism 50, here we have a concept of happy-go-lucky operation. Even though nature is powerful, it has very few examples, few instruments of homeopathic cure. Besides some of the miasmatic diseases like measles, smallpox, etc. Means a person can be cured by one more natural disease. Such diseases are very few in number. But you do have some disadvantages. Even though you have some of the diseases which help you to cure, they are more dangerous to life. You cannot rely on them because they are more dangerous to life and they are more severe than the disease which they are supposed to cure, and they themselves need curing. See, once you have removed that disease, this disease comes in and it is more difficult to cure. These homeopathic remedies are very difficult to manage and they are more uncertain. You don't know whether one more disease will come to you of a stronger nature or no. You cannot sure shot tell that okay, I'll wait till the smallpox comes and then my blindness will go. No, not like that, because you're uncertain whether it will come or no. And then they're more dangerous. Even though you wait, you get the smallpox, but that disease is more dangerous than what disease you are suffering from. We know that there are very few diseases on finger count which they come under homeopathic nature's cure. So how many diseases can find similarity? Only like you have some smallpox, measles and itch. How many diseases we find that they are similar to it? Because these are the stronger similar diseases. Very few maladies can be cured by these uncertain, hazardous homeopathic remedies. We have some more disadvantages. That is, the control of those diseases is not in our hand, and morbific powers cannot be diminished according to circumstances. With all these disadvantages, still we find that there are some striking homeopathic cure affected by lucky concurrence, which gives the proof of symptom similarity. That is called happy-go-lucky operation. Means a person is being treated by nature and he has got a good result. So happy ending. But this happens by luck only. Hence it is called as happy-go-lucky operation. The cure which has taken place by the nature, which has given you happy ending, that means cure, luckily. Because it happens only by luck. Because we have seen already so many disadvantages. If at all you are getting a happy ending and cure, that means it has happened to him by luck. So it is called as happy-go-lucky operation. So let's see 51st aphorism. Here in this, Hahnemann talks about advantages of man over crude nature. Therapeutic law of nature is understood and accepted by all intelligent minds. You need to be very intelligent to understand this. So man has thousands of medicinal substances at his disposal. Means like when we have only few diseases to cure one more disease. But nature has given us abundance of medicinal substances which are universally distributed throughout the creation. Okay, you just pick it up and just check it out and you can use it as a medicine. These medicinal substances have capacity to produce varieties of action for, and they can cure innumerable diseases. Means not only few, they can cure countless diseases. They can cure all conceivable diseases and also they can cure all inconceivable diseases. These medicines, they supply homeopathic aid. Means they cure homeopathically when they are given for the diseases. When you have given medicines, the remedial employment is completed. Their power is overcome by the vital force and disappears spontaneously. What here they would like to tell is, we have one disease, they have given artificial, stronger artificial disease, right? And because the dose control is in your hand, when you withdraw, they automatically disappear. The artificial disease does not stay anymore in that particular person. So the natural weaker dynamic disease along with the stronger dynamic disease both have vanished from the person. Person is left out with the cure. So advantages of overcrewed nature is that man can apply. How is that? Man has to apply his intelligence and use nature's avenues in a refined way. How you can use this? Now, we already know that disease is dynamic in nature. So you have to find, you use your brains and make your medicine also should be brought to the dynamic level. For that, what you have to do is, you have to attenuate, to subdivide and potentize the remedy almost an infinite extent. And dose of this has to be reduced. See, the dose has to be diminished to such a degree that it remains only slightly stronger. It don't have to be more stronger. It has to be slightly stronger than the similar natural disease they are employed to cure. Okay. So which disease you want to cure? The medicine what you are putting in has to be similar to it, but it has to be slightly stronger to it. When you can cure with similar and just a slight stimulation, why do you need violent attack on the organism? Okay, even though the disease is old standing and it is very troublesome to the person, you just have to stimulate the vital force, then automatically you will get the cure. You don't have to use any violent medicines. So the cure by this method takes place in a gentle, imperceptible, and by also it will be rapid, from troublesome natural disease to desired state of permanent health. Hence it is called an incomparable method. So you have to compare second aphorism over here again. Ideal cure. Please go through second aphorism once more after reading the happy-go-lucky operation. This is a very important topic from the examination point of view. This will come as a 5 marks question which has been repeatedly asked in question paper. First you have to mention the aphorism numbers 50 and 51. But you know very well that beforehand also we have seen introduction to happy-go-lucky operation. That also you will have to mention, that is 48 and 49 aphorisms. And then what do you mean by happy-go-lucky operation? The cure which has taken place happily by similia similibus curanter in nature. Usually it happens, very rarely it happens, hence it is called as lucky operation. So it is called as happy-go-lucky operation. Happy ending has taken place by lucky concurrence. It's called happy-go-lucky operation. Then you have to write what are the disadvantages of happy-go-lucky operations and what are the advantages of man over the crude nature. And beforehand what you will have to write is why till today people have not noticed this happy-go-lucky operation, which has been told in 49th aphorism as the very few examples available about it. Okay. So this finishes with happy-go-lucky operation. Thank you.